Unlock bumper pepper harvests, the power of companion planting. Are your pepper plants struggling to thrive? Discover the secret weapon of seasoned gardeners, companion planting. Learn how strategic plant pairings can boost your pepper yields, repel pests, and create a thriving garden ecosystem. Companion planting is the art of growing different plants together for mutual benefit. It's a natural way to enhance growth, deter pests, and improve overall garden health. Think of it as creating a supportive community within your garden bed. This ancient technique leverages the natural interactions between plants. Some plants attract beneficial insects, while others repel harmful pests. It's all about creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Basil is a fantastic companion plant for peppers. It repels common pepper pests like aphids, spider mites, and even whiteflies. Plus, many gardeners believe it enhances the flavor of your peppers. Basil releases aromatic compounds that confuse and deter pests. Plant basil close to your pepper plants to create a protective barrier. You'll enjoy healthier peppers and delicious basil for your kitchen. Marigolds are vibrant and effective pest deterrents. They release a compound into the soil that repels harmful nematodes, microscopic worms that can damage plant roots. They also attract beneficial insects like ladybugs. These beneficial insects prey on aphids and other pests that attack pepper plants. Plant marigolds around the perimeter of your pepper patch for maximum protection. Their bright colors also add beauty to your garden. Onions and garlic are powerful pest repellents. Their strong scent deters aphids, slugs, and even rabbits. Planting them near your peppers creates a natural barrier against these common garden pests. These alliums also have antifungal properties that can help protect your peppers from soil-borne diseases. Plant onions and garlic strategically throughout your pepper patch for comprehensive pest and disease control. Carrots are excellent companion plants because they don't compete with peppers for nutrients. Their deep roots help improve soil structure, making it easier for pepper roots to thrive. They also maximize garden space. Carrots grow well alongside peppers without shading them out or stealing their resources. This allows you to get the most out of your garden bed. Plus, you'll have a delicious harvest of both peppers and carrots. Tomatoes and peppers belong to the same plant family, Solanaceae, and share similar growing requirements. They can be good companions if properly spaced and managed. However, they are susceptible to the same diseases. Ensure adequate spacing between tomato and pepper plants to prevent the spread of diseases like blight. Monitor both plants closely for any signs of disease and take action immediately. Good airflow is also crucial. Start by planning your garden layout. Consider the mature size of each plant and ensure adequate spacing. Plant companion plants close enough to benefit the peppers, but not so close that they compete for resources. Regularly monitor your plants for pests and diseases. Companion planting is a preventative measure, but it's not a foolproof solution. Be prepared to take additional action if necessary, such as using organic pest control methods. Companion planting offers numerous benefits for your pepper plants. It reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promotes healthier plant growth, and improves overall garden biodiversity. It's a win-win for you and the environment. By creating a balanced ecosystem in your garden, you'll attract beneficial insects and pollinators. This will not only benefit your peppers, but also other plants in your garden. You'll enjoy a thriving and productive garden all season long. Consider other beneficial companion plants like rosemary, thyme, and nasturtiums. Rosemary repels cabbage moths and bean beetles. Thyme attracts beneficial insects and repels cabbage worms. Nasturtiums attract aphids away from your peppers. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your garden. Observe how your plants interact and adjust your planting strategy accordingly. Gardening is a continuous learning process. Sometimes, companion planting doesn't work as expected. This could be due to poor soil conditions, inadequate sunlight, or improper watering. Address these underlying issues to ensure your companion plants thrive. If you notice any signs of disease or pest infestation, take action immediately. Remove affected plants and treat the remaining plants with organic solutions. Don't let a small problem turn into a major disaster. Companion planting is a powerful tool for any home gardener looking to improve their pepper yields and create a healthier garden. By strategically pairing your peppers with beneficial companions, you can deter pests, enhance growth, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Ready to transform your pepper patch? Start planning your companion planting strategy today. Plant basil, marigolds, onions, garlic, and carrots alongside your peppers and watch your garden thrive. Don't wait! Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://lifeandwork.blog/. Comment below. Leave a comment below and tell us about your favorite companion planting combinations. Happy gardening!